Hello friends, today we are going to start with a new one topic that is a nutraceutical. As you know that today there is a very much demand for the nutraceutical is there. At every home there is a demand is there that is a nutraceutical is there. What is that nutraceutical is there? That we have to see in this one chapter. So in this case, we see that what is the history behind that one, what is the definition of the nutraceutical, introduction, classification, scope, area covered by the nutraceutical, then marketed products are there, and the final conclusion of this one is there. Okay, so one of the great hypocrites is there, that is physician is there, that is a hypocrite. He told you that at that time he have mentioned that what is the nutraceutical is there, what is the demand is there. He said that you have to take the food as a medicine, or in future it is not like that you have to consume the medicine as a food. Means you have to control on your diet, you have to consume your food material just like a diet, so that your health is normal. Otherwise, if you have to consume a huge quantity of the food, if you are not going to consume the food as a medicine in future, it may like that yes, you have to consume the medicine as a food, means you totally depends on the medicines. He also focus on the prevention. Prevention. The nutraceutical is a combination of the two words there. That is a nutrient material as well as the pharmaceutical material. Hence, this is a combination of the two words, that is a nutrient and the pharmaceutical, which should be coined by Stephen Wilsey is there. According to this one definition, nutraceutical is nothing but is a food material is a or a part of the food material is there, which is mostly utilized for the health benefits, prevention of the certain diseases or occurrence of the certain diseases is there. The Health Ministry of the Canada, he says that nutraceutical is nothing but is a isolated product is there, or the purified material of the food is there, generally sold in the market, not associated with the food. It is not associated with the food, or you can consume this one as a food material. You must have to consider is as a nutraceutical, though it contain the some part of the food material, just like the extracted amount of the food material is there, or the extract of the food material is there, we can say that is a nutraceutical, which provides you carbohydrate, proteins, minerals. Deficiency is there, in that case this nutraceutical fulfill your body's requirement, and it gives the protection against the diseases or as well as the specific diseases also. Hence, the nutraceutical is defined as a is to be considered as a food or the part of the food material. In addition to, they have their some of the normal nutritional value. It provides you the health benefits. Also, the prevention of the diseases, occurrence of the diseases are there to your body to perform the normal function of the body. This nutraceutical plays an important role. These nutraceuticals are the not toxic compound, just like your tablets are there. When you have to be consumed in excess quantity, it may produce toxic effect. But when you have to be consumed the nutraceutical in excess quantity, they don't show any toxic effect on your body. So they are the non-toxic food component. They have the scientifically proven the health benefit that includes the disease treatment or the prevention of the diseases also, but they includes the standardized form of the nutrient materials are there. It is not just like that the wheat flour is there should be added or packed into the bottle of the nutraceutical and just have to be sold. It is not like that. From the wheat flour you have to isolate that one nutrient content such as the carbohydrate, and then that carbohydrate material is there, it should be packed, and then it have to sold. For this one, special procedures are there that should require, which follow the GMP, that is a good manufacturing practices. Food as a medicine. In your daily life, you have to be consume the different type of the plant material, which gives you the food as a nutrients. Here is in the diagram plant there is shown where the different type of the uh, fruits are there that as you mentioned, such as the orange is there, their cucumber is there, pomegranate is there, lemon is there, tomato is there. All this provides you the nutrient materials such as the vitamin C is obtained from the orange and lemon, pomegranate from this one, antioxidants are obtained from tomato. The vitamin A there should be obtained. Then cucumber, the moisture contents are there that should be obtained, just like this one. Uh, uh, People rely on this one because they have the healing power. Plant-based materials are there; they are not toxic one. They are easily available. Then anyone can afford it, and they are safety one. On their belief in the traditional affordability and the belief in the traditional cures. Medicinal benefits of the food have been explored for thousands of the years. From our ancient time, these components are there that should be consumed by our body, and that gives you the nutritional importance. Then this is the pharmaceuticals are there and nutraceuticals are there. This is the difference is there. Pharmaceutical were to be consumed for the treatments of the diseases, where the nutraceutical were to be consumed to prevent the diseases. They show the positive effects on our body. They are not having any toxic effect on our body. But pharmaceutical, when we consume in excess quantity, they show toxic effect on our body. But when we consume the nutraceutical as well as the pharmaceutical or the nutrient material, when we are to be consumed uh, as a medicine, that becomes a nutraceutical. This is a concept of the nutraceutical. Is there such as the nutrients are there which are to be consumed just like a food, just like a pharmaceuticals, which is used to cure our body disease condition or the injury is there, that comes to nutraceutical. Means nutrient material when you have to be consumed as a drug or the pharmaceutical, then it shows a nutraceutical which is used for the prevention of the diseases also. Concept of the nutraceutical is there. Nutraceutical can be classified depends on the potential nutraceutical and established nutraceutical. Potential nutraceutical, they have promising approach toward the particular health of medicine. Means promising approach means we can see to this one nutraceutical, they have some return potency. Just like in case of the scurvy, we have to be consumed the vitamin C because we know that vitamin C is utilized in case of the scurvy. So they have some such type of the potentials. Then established nutraceutical is the potential nutraceutical become established. Nutraceutical only after they are sufficient clinical use and demonstrate a benefit. Established nutraceutical is nothing but the nutraceutical which are to be tested and they have to be declared after the clinical trial. Then we can consider it as a established nutraceutical. Nutraceutical mainly consists of the nutrients material, then herb or the phytochemicals and the dietary fibers are there. The nutrient materials such as your vitamins are there, minerals are there, proteins means amino acids are there, fatty acids are there. They are to be present. That is known as a nutrient material which is present in case of the nutraceutical. Phytochemicals, these are the herbs or the botanical products are there. Herbs are there which are present in case of this one. The dietary supplements are there. We can consider it as a probiotic, prebiotics, antioxidant, enzymes. These are the three essential components which are to be present in case of the nutraceutical. Without this, the nutraceutical is there is not a complete one. These are the scopes for the nutraceuticals are there. In case of the joint health is there, where the glucosamine is there, which is found in case of the ligament, cartilages, tissue, tendons are there. Then chondroitin is there, which is the proteoglycans of the articular cartilages are there. Then cardiovascular health is there, means you are related to heart is there, that is COP10 is there, which is often found in case of the soybean olive oil. Melatonin is there, is found in case of the bone marrow, then pineal glands are there. Deoxysuccinonic acid is to be found in case of the fish oil. Then resveratrol, which is obtained from the grapes or red wine. Carotenoids are there, is to be obtained from the carrot, sweet potato. Catechin is there, it should be obtained from the tea extract is there. For eye health, the nutraceutical is required such as the DHA, dexacetic acid is there, which is found in case of the linseed. Flaxseed is also known as alici is there. Then also it's found in case of the fish oil. Then uh, Pecnogen is there, she found in case of the barley. Then lutein is there, which is found in case of the spinach. Carotenoids are there, which we found in case of the carrot. Then sweet potato. In case of the cancer prevention, dexamic acid is there should be found, docosahexaenic acid is there should be found in case of the flaxseed, linseed, fish oil. Revestol is to be obtained from the red wine and the grapes is there. Lycopene, which is found in the tomatoes, grapefruits. Then tea extract is there should be obtained from the strawberry as well as raspberry. The nutraceuticals are there that is to obtain classified depends on the its source, depends on its physical action and what type of the chemical components are there that are to be present in case of this one. These are some of the examples are there as per the chemicals group. The nutraceuticals are there that is should be classified such as the mineral supplements are there, means calcium, magnesium is there, then zinc, copper, iron. Likewise, the minerals are there which are to be present. This depends on this, they are to be classified. Then probiotic, which is a helpful bacteria. Prebiotic, the digestive enzymes are there. Then dietary fiber, which includes fiber, antioxidants, which includes the natural antioxidants such as your catechin is there, ellagic acid is there, which is found. Phytochemicals such as your fatty acid, which shows presence of the omega-3 fatty acid. Then phenolics, T and polyphenols are there. Then isoprenoids are there, such as your carotenoids are there. Then lipids, sphingolipids. Then proteins, soya proteins are there. Then herb as a functional food. Depends on the sources. Nutraceutical are classified such as the plant source, animal source, mineral source, microorganisms. Plants such as your tomato, garlic, moringa is there. Animals, uh, which includes your shark liver oil, cod liver oils are there, from which the nutraceuticals are there as obtained as a source of vitamin A and vitamin D. Minerals such as calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, these are the common ones. But along with this one, others are there that also are included. Microorganism is also helpful to give us the nutraceuticals such as your bifidobacterium is there, bifidobacterium and lactobacilli is there. These are the inorganic supplements are there calcium, magnesium, manganese, boron, copper, zinc, phosphorus is there. Now what are their importance? Why they are to be present in our body? Calcium, which is essential for the bone, then teeth. What is the toughness of the body? There should be totally depends on this one. Calcium, if there is maintaining the bone strain, then nerve muscle, then glandular functions, blood clotting. All these are there that should totally depends on the calcium. So calcium plays an important role in all these activities. Whereas iron is there, which is to be helpful in case of the energy production, hemoglobin, oxygen transport mechanism is there. And magnesium is used for healthy nerve, then muscle functions are there, then bone formations are there, in which the magnesium plays an important role. Phosphorus is helpful for the energy production. Then phosphorylation action is there should be totally depend on the phosphorus. So the phosphorus plays an important role. But the biological process are there that should carry out that is should totally depends on this one. Then bone and the teeth for the genetic material there is also depends on the phosphorus. Cobalt, where the component of the vitamin B12 and coenzyme is there is to be found in case of this one. Where various type of the process are there that should totally depends on this one. Copper is responsible for the hemoglobin, then collagen production, then the function of the heart, energy production, and absorption of the iron. For this one, copper is important. Nowadays, it's a fashion to place water in a copper bottle at the night time and early in the morning you have to drink this one because some of the content of the copper is there should be released in the water. So when you have to be consume this one copper, it's helpful for your body. Uh, Iodine is essential. Iodine salt is there should be most important because the quieter is the disease is there should occur because of this one. Thyroid glands. The when the thyroid glands are there is not to work properly, the goiter type of the disease is there issue occur. So to work properly, thyroid gland iodine is important. Chromium. Mostly in case of the diabetes, when the patient is there, should be taking a treatment. In that case, you have found that the chromium is there. Where in this chromium, which helpful for releasing the insulin which is responsible for the conversion of the carbohydrate and the fat into the energy, which is a treatment of the diabetes is there. Then selenium, which is to work as an antioxidant functioning of the heart muscle, part of the GPX enzyme is there. Zinc, which is to be essential for the cell reproduction, for the development of the neonates, wound healing, then production of the sperm, then testosterone hormones. For this one, zinc is responsible. Vitamins. Now you know that there are the two types of the vitamins are there that you available. That is the water soluble vitamin and fat soluble vitamins are there. Fat soluble vitamins that includes your vitamin A, D, E, A. Vitamin A is plays an important role in case of the antioxidant, then growth, development, healthy vision, then skin's functions, mucous membrane, aid in the prevention of the certain type of the diseases are there where the vitamin A plays an important role. Vitamin D. When you're going to consume the calcium in a huge quantity for the absorption of the calcium, there is a need of the vitamin D. If vitamin D is there is not to be present in your body is unable to absorb the calcium. So vitamin D is important. That is we obtain from the sources such as the sunlight is there and the fish liver oil is the most important source for this one. Vitamin E is an antioxidant. Generally the green color capsules are there that should be available into the market, which provides you vitamin E that is used for the health of the hair also and also have antioxidant moves in case of the diabetes. They plays an important role, which is of help to form the RBC or blood cell, boost your immune power. Vitamin K is mostly used for the blood clotting time. It improves your blood clotting time. If your blood is there should be required to clot much more time, then in that case, the vitamin K treatment is there should be given because of which your blood clots within a short period of time. Water soluble vitamin which covers your vitamin C, which is to be used as an antioxidant, mostly that you obtain from the citrus fruits, such as your lemon is there, orange is there, from which vitamin C is there you obtain. That is to be responsible for to have a healthy bones, then gums, teeth, skin, help in case of the wound healing and prevent from the common cold. Then vitamin B1, it helps in case of the carbohydrate metabolism. It's essential for the neurological functions also. Vitamin B2 is energy metabolism. It maintains your healthy eye, skin, nerves, and the functions. Vitamin B3 is mostly responsible for the energy metabolism and your brain functions are there. Then vitamin B6 is helps to produce the essential proteins, then convert your proteins into the energy. For this one, vitamin B6 is there should be required. Vitamin B12 is the most common is there nowadays is to be prescribed by the general physician. It produces the genetic material, then formation of the RBC, maintenance of the CNS, synthesis of the amino acid involved in the metabolism of the protein, fat, and the carbohydrate, where the vitamin B12 plays an important role. In folic acid, it helps in case of the RBC formation, genetic material of the cell, very much essential during the pregnancy. The next one is there is a pantothenic acid, aids in the synthesis of the cholesterol, steroids, and fatty acids, crucial for the intraneuronal synthesis of acetylcholine. These are the different vitamins are there which is available. That is a fat soluble vitamin A, D, E, K. Probiotics. These are the live microorganisms are there, which is required by our body, which is required for the various in adequate quantity. We count for the health benefits on the host. This includes such as your lactobacillus is there, then bifidobacterium is there, then yeast of the streptomyces cerevisiae is there, some of the E. coli, bacillus species are there that which we use for the probiotics. These are the some of the potential benefits of the probiotics are there, which help in case to manage the lactose intolerance, reduces the bladder and urinary tract infection. It improves the symptoms of the irritable bowel syndrome is there. It treats diarrhea or in the treatment of the diarrhea, it plays an important role. It shortens the duration of the intestinal infection means that intestinal infection either should be removed within a short period of time from your body. Prebiotics are there. Some of the ingredients are there that is not to be digested by your body. In that case, these materials are there that should be added to your body. Provides a beneficial effects for the food selectively, stimulating the favorable growth of a limited number of the endogenous bacteria are there. Some of the bacteria are there which is be commonly found in case of the prebiotics are there such which includes your oligofructose is there, inulin is there, then galacto oligosaccharides is there, lactulose is there. Then herbs that also plays an important role. These are the some of the common examples are there. Along with that, the most of the examples are there. But for your study, we consider this one aloe vera, which is having the anti-inflammatory, emollient, moisture balance, then wound healing property. Evening primrose is there, which is having a dietary supplement of the linoleic acid. In the treatment of the atopic eczema is there. Then garlic such which is having the antibacterial, antifungal, antithrombotic, anti-inflammatory activity. Ginger, which have a carminative then anti-emetic property, which is used in the treatment of the dizziness. Is there for this one, the ginger plays an important role. Ginseng, man root is there is the synonym for this one, which have adaptogen effect. So ginseng is there is to be used for this one main purpose. Green tea, which have antioxidant property, it reduces the risk of the cardiovascular diseases. It enhances the humoral as the cell-mediated immunity. Vegetables, which is green leafy materials, are there, where the fruits, whole grain, herb, nuts, and the seeds are there that should be used. Abundance of the phenolic compounds are there that should present. The terpenoids, sulfur compounds are there that are to be present. That has been associated with the proteins. They are also used in the treatment of the disease conditions. So in this case, the vegetable plays an important role. These are the phytochemicals are there from which the new materials are there that should be obtained. These phytochemicals are mostly responsible to provide the health benefit. These are used as a substrate for the biochemical reaction because just like that, the clap is there is not to be occurred by a single hand. So that for enzyme, there is a need of the substrate to show the particular enzyme reaction. Then cofactors, some of the phytochemicals are there that should be responsible to enhance the action of the enzyme. So there is a need of the cofactor. In this case, phytochemical plays an important role. Inhibit inhibitors of the enzymatic reaction. Some of the chemicals are there that are competes to bind with the active site. So in this case, the cofactors are there as the important one, because of which uh, they blocks the active site of the non-required material, and because of which the active site is open for the required quantity material. Absorbents are there that binds to and eliminate the undesirable constituent from the intestine. So for that, the absorbents are there that is required. Then scavenger to reactive or the toxic chemicals. The scavengers are there that is required one. Enhance the absorption and the stability of the essential nutrients. Phytochemicals are required. Selective growth factor for the bacterial beneficial bacteria. The phytochemicals are there that you require. Fermentation substrate for the beneficial bacteria. The phytochemicals are required. Selective inhibitors of the deleterious intestinal bacteria. Phytochemicals are required. These are the importance of the phytochemicals are there. These are the some of the phytochemicals are there which we require, such as the tocotrienol and the tocopherols are there, which suppress the growth of the diverse tumor cell lives via initiation of the apoptosis process. Constant uh, commit arrest the cell in the G1 phase of the cell cycle. These are the roles of the tocopherols are there. Then carotenoids, which is obtained from the fruits, vegetables, they have antioxidant protective actions in case of the uterine, prostate, colorectal, lung, digestive tract cancer. Various type of the cancers are there in which carotenoid plays an important role. Then limerites, such as your citrus fruit from this one is obtained. It in the phase one enzyme one phase it shows inhibitory action, whereas in case of second it shows the detoxification action in the liver, provide the protection to the lung tissues. Then phytosterols are there, various often from the various plant cells. It have exhibit anti-inflammatory, anti-neoplastic, antipyretic property. It also have immunomodulatory activity. Phenolic components, various plants, whole grains are there that is to be antioxidant, lower the risk of the congestive heart diseases, diabetes, hypertension likewise. Flavonoids which is obtained from the grapes, wines, which have action against the free radicals, which are responsible to show oxidative actions. In this case, this one flavonoids is acting as an antioxidant, signaling the inflammation, allergic, platelet aggregation, and hepatotoxin. Catechins and the gallic acid there, which is obtained from the grapes, berries, coca, green tea. Antioxidant free radical scavenging activity. Isoflavonoids such as your soybean seed there, which have treating the cancers as well as the osteoporosis. Glucosinolate, which is obtained from the cruciferous, which shows the activators of the liver detoxification enzyme, inhibit the neoplastic effect of the various carcinogens there. Then indoles are there. It reduces the estrogen dependent cancer risk. Fibers. The various vegetable fruits are there, such as the prostate. It gives the protection against the cholesterol diseases. These are the fruits and their benefits are there. Apple keeps away doctor. Okay, they are to be used in the it lower the risk of the diseases. High fibers are there that are present. Then apricot is there is contain beta carotene, which is converted vitamin A by the body. It provides the equivalence of the 35% of the RDA and vitamin A. Bananas as a source of potassium. The bananas plays an important role, which plays an important role in the treatment of the heart and the muscle functions. Cherries, heart protective anthocyanins are present and also gives color. Papayas for vitamin C, beta carotene, vitamin A, and the calcium. Papayas plays an important role. Broccoli, that is a source of the calcium, folic acid, then uh, sulforaphane is their vitamin C is their cabbage, mostly to fight cancer fighter. Then carrots, vitamin A is their beta as a source of beta carotene is plays an important role. Tomatoes, such as your lycopene is their fruit lover cancer fighting is there. Now the next one is their dietary fiber that are insoluble fiber and the soluble fiber. These are the two components are there. Mostly they are structurally carbohydrates are there that are present. They are not digested and not absorbed by the plant body. The insoluble fibers that includes their main role is their absorption of the water into the GIT tract. It promotes regular elimination. It increases the weight of the tool. It speed up digestion and elimination time. These are the importance of the insoluble fibers are there. Soluble fibers that lower the serum cholesterol level so that cholesterol level from our body is goes on decreasing. No risk of the heart disease is there. It regulates the blood sugar level also. Intake of the dietary fiber is there. It should be it reduces risk of the gastrointestinal tract. It reduces the risk of the hypertension. It gives treatment for diabetes, heart diseases, several type of the cancers such as the colon cancer. Is there daily requirement is there daily about 20 to 35 gram is there. Base source of the fibers is there whole grain, then berries, then cereal, beans, rice, nuts, seeds, etc. Along with this one, adequate quantity of the water is important one. These are the some of the therapeutic uses are there. What are the area covered by the nutraceuticals are there? Means in these are the regions are there where nutraceuticals was for anti-arthritic. In case of the rheumatoid arthritis, nutraceutical plays an important role. Sleeping disorders are there. Rather than consuming the sleeping pills, yeah, why not you have to be consuming the nutraceutical? In this case, this covers this one area. Digestion problems are there. Prevention of the certain cancers are there, such as the colorectal cancer is there. Nutraceutical plays an important role. Then osteoporosis means softening of the bones is there. In this case also, nutraceutical plays an important role. Blood pressure is there, cholesterol lowering agents are there, such as your garlic is there. Then neurological disorder is there, autism and diabetes. In this case, nutraceutical plays an important role. Now the market, the nutraceutical is there should be available in a three forms, such as food. Functional foods are there, then functional behavior aids are there, and dietary supplements are there. These are the three different areas are there in which the nutraceutical is there should be available into the market, either alone or in a combinations, such as your minerals, amino acids, vitamins, and the herbs are there that are present in the market. These are the challenges and relevance of the nutraceuticals are there in case of the pharma company as well as the food company. For pharma company, the challenge is there that is declining the returns. Return is there is not to be obtained as much. Then patent cliff is there. There may be the chances to file the patents, and that is not having not much more important than pressure uh, on the health budget is a regulatory oversight is there, where the relevance of the nutraceutical is there. That is a new sector is there, lower R&D costs. Then new revenue source is there, the new area for the development is there. Most purchased by the consumer, everyone can, and every house, the nutraceutical is there should be required. Less or regulatory requirements are there. Food companies are there which are having challenge such as the slow growth is there. The retailers own brands are there. Means that is totally depends on the retailers. Retailer power is there is also one of the challenge is that they are asking some of the benefits from what to sell this one particular product. Then internet marketing is also another challenge is there. Whereas the relevance of the nutraceutical for the food companies is their fast growth is their source of the differentiation, and the high margins in their innovative product encourages the bargaining power. Then accepted channel of the new products is there. These are the global market areas is there where these are the requirements of the nutraceutical from 2009 to 2016. Blue color indicates your beverages, purple color indicates your foods, and blue color indicates your supplements. These are the different portions are there where the nutraceutical plays an important role, where there is a chances of this one. These are the left side chart here. The disease conditions are there where the nutraceutical plays an important role, and right side chart is the type of the nutraceutical which is we use, how much requirement is there. No doubt as the disease change, the nutraceutical value is there is also change, and the requirement is there is also change. These are the some of the important brands which is available, their components and why they are to be utilized. Betaine, such as your carotenoids, which plays an important role for immune function. Gold, lutein esters for eye health, lipid, alpha lipoic acid, protein, potent antioxidant, geranol, phytosterol, congestive heart disease reduction is there. Then premium probiotics is there. Intestinal disorder, soya-like soybean is there, bone health is there, gene trim wheat, zero calorie fat replacer, lume life is there, that is a lignan extract fat, potash health is there, like to have a control on the blood sugar level there, Fen life which contain your fenugreek, galactomannan, then have potent antioxidant action, T-Max is there which contain your T extract, green tea extract, for heart health protection, marinol is there which contain for three acids are there, lipoic acid is there, ipsaponic acid is there. Then weight loss, carinol is there. Then reduced cholesterol is there. Likewise, the importance of the nutraceutical is there, which is we use as a food ingredient, where the food is there not to be consumed regularly. In that case, that drug is there is to be utilized which fulfill the requirement. Its concentration, time, and the duration and the supplement nutrition influence the human health. Manipulating the food concentration of active ingredient can be increased. Diet-rich nutraceuticals along with the regular exercise, stress reduction, maintenance of the health body weight will maximize the health and reduces the risk is there. Likewise, this is about your nutraceutical. Thank you.